Hi guys, Sam here with entrepreneurschool.io, and in this lecture I'm going to teach you how you can open up a YouTube account. Now, YouTube uses a Google account, so if you already have one of these for your business, you're already set to go. You can just simply sign into that account and then you're ready to start uploading your videos. Now, I recommend if you have a personal YouTube account, you create a separate one for each of your individual businesses. So that's just to separate them out a bit and to really spread the market and make sure the account is very specialized. You don't want your subscribers who watch you gaming end up buying screen protectors from you or something like that if that's what you're selling, or you probably get the idea with that and you can apply it to your specific product. Now, the first thing to do to make an account, I recommend you go up to this little upload button here and then click. Now, what that's going to do is it's going to bring up this window asking you to sign into your account. Now, if you didn't get here straight away, you can potentially go to another page when you click that upload button. I simply recommend that you press it again, then you'll get here. So you're then going to scroll down to where it says create account and click. Now you get this nice little form to fill out. I recommend that you fill this out, put in as much information as you possibly can. If you have a phone that you have not used yet to activate any service with YouTube, I recommend you go ahead and chuck that number in so you can recover your account easily if you need to. It will also allow you to do more advanced features like live streaming and monetization if you want to in the future. Okay, so I'm not going to fill out this form because I've already created an account. In all honesty, this is now the third take of this video, mostly because of problems that have came up, such as the fact my microphone coming unplugged during the recording. So I'm not going to fill out this form now. I did that in the first take, but now I've already created an account. But you do just simply fill out this form, and then once you're done, you click the next step, and then what Google will do is they'll send an email to your email address you put in here. So I'm now going to show you what that email looks like. Here it is in my webmail for my courses at entrepreneurschool.io account, which is where all of your questions come to. Now, I don't recommend that you email this account if you need support. I recommend you use a support account on our website because this account is only monitored by one person, whereas a support one is monitored by a lot more people. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this link. And then what it's going to do is it is going to verify my email address. Now you'll notice email has already been verified. As I said, the same thing as before. Normally this will simply log you in to your brand new YouTube account, what we'll be using in the next lecture. So you can play back and watch this again and play along with it if you wish, or you can just go ahead and cut yourself loose and create a YouTube account. I know this is pretty simple. I just wanted to show it to you because I didn't want the problem of someone saying, hey, you didn't teach me how to make a YouTube account.